How to add no card to Apple Wallet. Here is what we have to do. First, load up your App Store and just search for no. If you don't already have the application, we want to click on no pay here and just install the app itself. Now, once we have installed the app, then here you can check your card info, so on and so forth. You will have to register your card or log in with your account. Once we have logged in into the No Pay app, we can go back into Apple Wallet, and here we will just click on the plus sign and then we will go into Transit Card. So go into Transit Card and you should be able to see No as an option right here. If you don't, it means that you have not registered your No card. And if you have successfully verified your card, like I said, you can input it here into your Apple Wallet. So hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.